How to fix automatic brightness increase for Instagram on Android device. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can fix auto brightness on Instagram that is happening on your phone. So without any delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to adjust your brightness, that is automatic. Sometimes it adjusts the brightness automatically. So what you can do in order to fix that in an Android device is when you scroll up your notification bar, you should be able to see this brightness section very easily. That is by default set in every phone. So what you're going to do is simply tap on the three dot at the side of your brightness where you can adjust, and you should be able to see this adapted brightness section. So what happens is if you turn on this brightness, this adapted brightness, it adjusts the brightness according to the screen, according to our environment. Like if we have a bright environment, it automatically detects our environment and adjusts itself to a very bright screen for in order to make it easier for us to adjust the environment. While as if we are in a dark environment, it adjusts to the very low level automatically. So what you're going to do is simply turn off this option. What that does is simply cancels out the automatic settings of brightness here. After that, simply click on done, and whenever you're trying to open Instagram, you won't be having that problem of automatic brightness on your device. So therefore, just follow that method and you should be able to do that very easily. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.